Hello, welcome to my channel, Arise to Design. I'm a residential designer I do work for individuals. I do work for other, builders, other architects, and I basically make my living by, designing homes, creating plans. And I created this channel because I want to help other people like me who make their living drafting, designing, and this is going to be focused mainly on AutoCAD and AutoCAD architecture. As well, I will be sharing some tips on design and things like that that I apply and that I have learned. Right now, you're looking at some of my designs. I try to design with, something that is kind of eclectic and it's add a little bit of historic architecture. Sometimes it's, true to a particular style. And I hope you find this channel useful. So again, thank you for coming to my channel. Please subscribe, ask questions, comment, and thank you. For my first post, I wanted to show you something that I'm working on right now. I'm working on a custom home for a client. This is a pretty big house. And the client got an interior designer involved, and the interior designer came in with some some changes to the inside, which is fine, and one particular change is it was this area, and she wants me to center this window between this hallway. That means we're going to delete this window and then move this window and put it over here. And I'm going to show you a quick way to do it. Of course, I think the way everybody will try to do it will be to draw a line here, right? And then draw a line up, and then just take this window with the label and, put it in the, within the line. So it basically will be like this. You will draw a line from here to here, then draw another line like this, delete this window, and then you will move this, of course, using your low snaps. I'm using AutoCAD architecture, so excuse me. But let me show you this pretty neat command. It's called M2P, which is the middle of 2 points. Basically, what I'm going to do is, I like using arrays, which basically is an infinite line. So if you type XL, which means X line, then you're going to say vertical because we're in a vertical line, right? Type V for vertical. And then you're going to type, before selecting any points, you're going to type M2P, which stands for middle of 2 points. Vertical. So we're going to say M2P, enter. So we'll select that first and then that second. Voila. See that where you put it? Then basically we'll just take this, put it right there, delete that, delete that. And it works for anything. Let's say you have, let's do two regular shapes. So let's say you have this. And you wanted to find the midpoint. You can say, let's say you want to put a point there, right? You say M2P, first point, first point. There's your point right there. So, it saves you from having to draw a line. So I hope this tip is useful. Please subscribe, come back to the channel. I'm going to try to be posting, tips and suggestions and ideas and answering your questions if you have any. And again, thank you for visiting the channel.